Welcome to this quick how-to on hiding the notification banner for WhatsApp on your PC with the latest update. If you've been bothered by those pop-up banners and want a calmer, tidier desktop experience, this simple guide is for you. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. If you're already in the middle of something, you can minimize or rearrange windows so you can follow along without losing your place. The goal is to access the settings that control how notifications appear. Next, look to the left side menu and locate the gear icon. This is the gateway to WhatsApp's settings, where you can tailor many aspects of the app to fit your workflow. Click it to reveal the configuration options that personalize your experience. From there, enter the notifications section. This is where WhatsApp groups together all the notification preferences, including sounds, badges, and banners. It's designed to give you control over what you see and hear while using the app. Inside notifications, find the option labeled Show Notification Banner. This toggle controls whether a banner pops up at the top of your screen when a message arrives. Click or toggle this option to access the choices for how banners behave. Choose never to disable the on-screen banner completely. Selecting never means you won't see that pop-up banner at all, while you'll still receive messages through the app and other notification channels. If you ever want banners back, you can return here and switch the setting to always or the default option. After setting never, take a moment to review any related options in the same area. Depending on your version, there might be sub-toggles for banners during focus sessions or when the app is minimized. Adjust these according to your preferred balance between staying informed and staying undisturbed. With the banner disabled, you'll notice fewer interruptions while you work, study, or relax on your PC. WhatsApp will still notify you in the background, and you can check messages at times you choose rather than being pulled away by a banner every few minutes. If you ever want to revert, just return to the same path and re-enable Show Notification Banner by selecting Always or your preferred setting.